Welcome to the video of how to upload a bulk catalog on Meesho. In this video, we will explain the simple and easy process of uploading multiple catalogs using the bulk upload feature of the supplier panel. You have to simply download the catalog template from the admin panel, fill the template with your product details, and then upload it back to our platform. That's it. Your catalog will then be checked for quality and uploaded for the buyers on Meesho to purchase. Let's see how this process works. To get started, make sure you are logged in to the supplier panel with your email ID and password. Once logged in, go to the Catalog Upload section of the panel and click on the Add Bulk Catalog. Clicking on this will take you to the next page where you will be asked to choose the right template for your catalog. Choosing the right template, you can search the category that matches your catalog and select it from the drop-down. Remember, your catalog name will be automatically set as per the template you choose. For example, Top for Women or Shirts for Women. Download the template by clicking here. Once the file is downloaded, you'll have to edit it and upload it back to the platform to upload your catalog using the template file. The first tab is called the Instructions tab that contains information and steps on the bulk catalog upload process. It also contains the criteria that you should follow for uploading product images. Click on the second sheet, which will have "Fill this" written in its name. This is where you have to enter all the details of the catalog products that you wish to upload. You can also check Example Sheet, that is, the third sheet for reference on how your final sheet should look like. Remember, while filling your details in the Fill This sheet, column B and C marked with grey header are for system use only. You should not enter anything there. All the columns under the red colored cell in the first row are compulsory for the seller to fill. On the other hand, all the columns with green colored first row are recommended to be filled, but the supplier can choose to leave them unfilled if they aren't sure about what to write. The second row tells us what information you have to input, and the third one gives us a description of the type of input required. Remember, carefully enter the details of your product and select the details from the drop-down list wherever applicable. The compulsory section. While uploading a catalog, you have to mention each product's name. Make sure that the name that you specify is relevant and short. You can include the following 3 items in your product name: an adjective, gender, category name. Remember to not enter long descriptions in product name. Otherwise, that product may be rejected in the catalog approval process. For the cell variation, you will have to select the relevant size for your product from the drop-down list. Remember, if you think that the variation scale is not the perfect match for your catalog type, then we recommend double-checking the template you have downloaded. If you want the correct variation scale, then go to the admin panel and carefully download the correct catalog template. For pricing, you have to enter 2 prices in this section. The Meesho price. This is the price at which you want to sell the product on Meesho. It includes your cut plus GST. The second is the MRP, which is the maximum retail price for the product. While selecting the HSN code from the drop-down list, please ensure that you select the longest available option. This is a global good classification number for your product. Similarly, fill the other details like product weight, variation, applicable GST, inventory available, and other compulsory details asked. You will also have to upload a front image of each of the products that you upload. To do that, go back to the Supplier Admin panel and click on the Images Bulk Upload section. Select all the front images of the products that you wish to upload. Once you process these images, you'll be able to see them in the same page along with their links. Simply click on the Copy Link button and paste this link in your bulk catalog upload template. Next to the product, it belongs in the image 1 column. Just as you uploaded the first image of your product, you can do the same steps to upload more images for each product. It's not mandatory to add more than one, but the more images you provide, the more visibility and trust the customer finds in your product. Also, make sure that you upload product images which pass all the criterias to go through the quality check process and get listed on Meesho. 1. The first image for each product in the catalog should only be a front image of the product, which should be clearly visible. 2. Images with text or watermark are not acceptable in primary images. 3. Images should not contain price or brand logo for the product. 4. It is recommended that the product images should be in JPEG format only, and each image's size should be between 500 KB and 700 KB. Once you update the links on the file, you are good to go. The recommended section. Product ID versus SKU ID. A unique product ID or style ID is given to each of the distinct color variations of your product. A unique SKU ID is given to each of the size variations of your product. All the size variations of a particular color of the product will have different SKU IDs and the same product ID. For example, 3 green colored tops of the same design that come in 3 sizes will have the same product IDs, but they will have 3 different SKU IDs. For example, product ID 1 for green top will have 3 different SKU IDs as per the size variations. The column names Group ID can be used to club various products into specific groups by selecting the Group ID from the drop-down list. For example, if you group 2 products under the same Group ID, say Group ID 1, and another 2 products in Group ID 2, then Meesho will automatically upload 2 different catalogs, keeping the ones under the same group together. While filling the product description, make sure that the description that you enter is under 1000 characters only. We suggest doing a word check for the description to ensure you don't exceed the character limit. Most of the other items to be filled in the recommended section are about the product itself. Mention complete details for each product carefully. These details are important because they provide more information to the buyer about the product. This makes your brand more trustworthy on the platform. Uploading the catalog. Once you're done entering all the details, you will have to save this file and go to the panel from where you have downloaded it earlier. Click on the Upload button and select the file that we saved in the previous step. Confirm by clicking on the Upload button. Once you are ready to submit your catalog, click on the Submit Catalog button. Your catalog will then be checked for quality by the Meesho Quality Check team before it is uploaded for the buyers to purchase. To see the status of your uploaded catalog, go to the Catalog Upload section of the admin panel. The tab QC in Progress will show you the catalogs that are still being verified. The Live tab will show you all your live catalogs on Meesho. To check on catalogs with QC errors, click on the QC Error tab, which will give you all the details for the catalog that don't pass the quality check. So, this is all you needed to know in order to successfully upload a single catalog. If you have any doubts or queries, please go to the Support section of the admin panel. You will then be redirected to a page with a list of common problems that suppliers face. You can click on these topics to resolve your doubts. If your queries are still not solved, you can raise a ticket by clicking here. where you will be asked to share more details regarding the query, and a callback number so our agents can get in touch with you.
If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel